Well, howdy neighbor. Welcome back to Hammer and Saw Customs, right here on the Big Island of Hawaii. I'm old brother Bill, jack of all trades, master of none. Today it's nice, dark, and stormy. Of course, I do live in a rainforest, so I can't complain too much. On today's episode, it's going to be part 2. Probably going to be a part 3 of the Little Mrs. Mega Pallet Wood Pantry. So as I did last time, it worked out real well because I've got a bunch of projects going on right now. I'm just going to hike on up there to the homestead, get that picture collage out to you on what all I've done, and maybe I'll just do a wrap-up video for part 3 when I do all the trimming out and final step stuff. So as always, Brother Bill wants you to come on in, rest your hands and face, grab you a snack, because I don't want that stomach to start rumbling in the middle of the video. Get you something cold to drink. Of course, by now we all know Brother Bill's drink of choice. That's right, some sweet tea with some NASCAR additive. So come on in. I got 1 or 2 things to cover, and then we'll skedaddle up there to the homestead and enjoy the picture show. So come on back. Man, spammers and scammers. They're on the phone, they're on the computer, they're on the Facebook. You know, I wonder what it would be like if they just all accidentally just fell into the chipper and then, accidentally was consumed by the hogs. Maybe that would, maybe that'd take care of it. Oh, hey neighbor, you're back already. Just ignore what I said earlier. Let's focus on today's project. Like I said, today's project is going to be the Little Mrs. Mega Pallet Wood Pantry build. It's going to be part 2, and so far, so good. It's coming out pretty good. I've got several projects going at one time, so I'm sorry this one doesn't have that video thing, but I think the photo thing's working out pretty good. If not, hey, then let me know. And how you do that? That's right, neighbor. You grab those old phalanges, let those fingers do the click-clacking down on the old computer. Let Brother Bill know by hitting that little hammer and saw emblem down there. Subscribe, send some likes, comments, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Let me know what you think. Let me see some of your projects. I always love interacting with folks and seeing their projects as well. Ideas, comments, good or bad. But, try to keep them to the good. So, with no further ado, back up to the homestead, enjoy the picture show, and I'll see you afterwards to close out. right, neighbor. I hope you've enjoyed what we've got done so far, and got some more finishing up, you know, the polishing and the third row of, well, maybe it is the third row. Third row of doors, handles, things of that nature. Got to get the inside shelf platforms done and a little special ending to that. So I appreciate our time as always. I want to thank you guys out there and gals for all the subscribers, new and old, all the comments. I really do appreciate this little journey that we're all taking together. I mean, because hey, I'm going to do it anyway, and I'm just inviting you along, and I appreciate you guys being there. So thanks for that. So in closing, let's remember our soldiers, past and present, all our first responders working hard out there day and night. Sirens in the back, get out the way. And as always, the two most favorite things that Brother Bill wants to share with you. One, what is it? That's right. If your neighbor can do it, you can learn to do it too. And as always, I want you guys, from old brother Safety Steve, to hammer on safely. Until next time, folks, I'll miss you, and I'll see you soon. Aloha. Sorry folks, you know, Brother Bill, you know, scatterbrain is all out. Of course, you know, it's probably because of this right here. But I want to give a big old howdy to my neighbors up in Canada. A lot of you folks have been contacting me and sending questions and thumbs ups and likes and things of that nature. So I want to give a big old howdy to my neighboring Canadians out there. So thank you folks for watching. I sure do appreciate you. Of course, I appreciate everybody, but just a big shout out to the Canadians up there. So that's it, folks. Have a good one. Until next time, keep between the ditches. Aloha.